Welcome to David Studio, where here we solve LeetCode problems. Here our first LeetCode problem is to sum. Let's read the problem. Given an array of integers, nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Here you see the example nums 2 7 nums, it's a array and target is single value. The output is 0 and 1. How this become? Because num0 plus num1 is equal to target. We return a array. Let's see 0 index 2 and first index is 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Means the first two indexes sum is equal to target value. Let's you see more example. Let's solve this problem. First we create a vector because we need to return a targeted value, a array of indexes. Let's create a vector. Vector, the data type of vector is int. Let's create result. Now we need to see each index two times for sum. First we create a loop. Here our outer loop int I is equal to 0, I less than. Here first we know how much time we run the loop. We run loop the length of vector. Let's create a inner loop. For each index, compare to all index. For int j is equal to 0 and j less than nums dot size j plus plus. Here we run first loop and second loop. First loop, but you need to remember a condition. You may not use the same element twice. And let's run this condition. Now we not use same element twice. Let's write a condition for target value. If nums I plus nums j is equal to target. When the condition is true, we push the index of nums in result variable. Let's push result dot push back. It is a method of vector to insert any value in vector. Let's first we insert first index and after we insert second index. Return dot push back second index. When we get both indexes, let's we stop the loop. Here we use two things. First break and second is direct return. Here we return result. Let's make this code some beautiful to easy to understand. And when we not get any true condition for targeted value, we return empty vector. Return result. Now let's check test case. Here three test case 1, case 2 and case 3. Let's test. We see an error. Use of identity result. Here we small spelling mistake. Let's try. Our all test case is true. Accepted. This approach take time complexity is n of o square. Thank you for see my solution and my approach. Like, subscribe and comments please. And let's meet to next video. Here submit the solution and it's accepted. Thank you for you.